Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. And yes, we are up to Christmas already. Can you believe it? It's definitely come around quick this year, that's for sure. So this year's theme is actually going to be more of a neutral but also a minimalistic sort of Christmas decorating this year, because as you guys know, I am sort of more on that minimalistic journey and I don't want to clean. I really don't. So yeah, that's what I'm sort of looking at, something that is really easy for me to maintain and what goes with what I've currently got going on. If you are new here and you do enjoy home improvement type content, then don't forget to subscribe, because that's what this channel is all about. So to begin with, I am just fluffing up the Christmas tree. This is something pretty easy, but it is one of those things that if you don't do it, it looks pretty bad. So I'm just fluffing the whole thing up, and my 6-year-old is also helping me with the process. So this is how the area looks that I'm decorating this year. And as you can see, I am down a table and the mirror that was there, and I had a big square unit here. So there's going to be, I'm suspecting, excess of Christmas decorations this year. I'm going to be doing this sort of area today, and I am going to do the kitchen area as well. Very subtle though. This year I had to be the biggest tight ass because unfortunately my car wouldn't start one day this week. Ended up being the battery, which wasn't too bad, but $220 later. And then the cat went into shock and I had to bring him to the vet, and that costed me around $1,000 for the whole week all up. So yeah, feeling very, very broke at the moment, so that's why I'm just going to try and decorate with what I've got. I'm thinking of you, babe. Okay, this is all the stuff that I may be reusing, just seeing how I go, so I've just left it there as an option. Over here is just the things that I know I'm definitely not going to use. All the decorations laid out, and I can pretty much tell you this year I have not tried to put anything out. I don't know what I'm doing. This is going to test my decorating skills, guys. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Yeah, I got you on my mind. Merry Christmas from a distance. Okay, this is just a tablecloth that I got from Spotlight. Literally cost me $10, and I know I wasn't going to buy anything, but I really couldn't leave this table like this. It is a gorgeous neutral colour, not quite the colour of my cushions, which is what I would have liked, but it's still going to work anyway. I wish you were here tonight. Now these are just little tea light candles that I did pick up from, I believe, the Reject Shop. I could be wrong, it could be Kmart. It was a little while ago. About our wonderful year, I can see it now, yeah, your lips stained from the wine. Which one is your favorite, guys? I don't know. Smile you have, your this one, or you know you're my I don't like the black. That is what my issue is. From the pain, hide from the shame, I feel it in my body, and I just can't let go, tears start to flow, I feel it in my body. Girl, I feel this magic, and it's deep inside. So next up we are up to the tree decorating part, and the first bit is obviously putting the lights on. So I always use a pipe cleaner to hold my lights in place after I've wrapped them after each Christmas. I think I've been doing this for the last 2 or 3 years, and it has been working really, really well for me. So I always start with lights, and that is just so I can avoid all the Christmas decorations. So that's the easiest way that I find. And also, if you do the lights first, you sort of have an idea, like if they don't work, you don't have to pull the whole Christmas tree apart just to get another set of lights in there. So I find that much easier. Now, a little tip that I do, and I just wrap literally 3/4 of the tree because it's like on the wall, you're not going to see behind the tree. So I wrap 3/4 of the tree, that way I get like more light on the tree, so it looks brighter and it looks better. So now that I've got the base on and the lights in, I'm just decorating the tree and filling in all the gaps. So I first use all the picks and then I go for the large baubles and I just pop them into the holes as well. Now this year I have been super lazy because I'm not using any hooks at all. I've literally just been stuffing them in the holes. I am strategically using sort of the same color and just putting them out randomly so they're sort of evened out, and then I'll move on to the next color.
The same floor our world has been shaking on. Oh, what's your soul saying? Oh, is your world changing? Oh, what's your soul saying?
And look at my Christmas tree. It is looking super cute. A bit of a tip for you guys, if I haven't already mentioned it, but if you don't have enough lights or decorations, just decorate half or 3/4 of the tree. Nobody is actually going to see the very, very back bit unless you've got it in the center of a room somewhere. And that's just what I've done here. I have decorated around this side where people are going to see through the window, but I haven't decorated around the other side to the very back because I was way too lazy for that today. But I'm absolutely loving it. I think it looks stunning. Very, very cute. And this is how everything looks from this angle. It is very, very cute and I'm super happy with it. You can see that the areas do really match in and gel together. You've got the white fluffy Christmas tree and some woods, and then over here you've again got the white fluffy Christmas tree and some woods. So I've just tried to really repeat some matter around and textures just so that areas do gel really, really nicely together. In the kitchen area here, I could have put the Christmas frame up here, but it was a little bit small, so I knew straight away not to do that. But I could definitely swap that photo out if I wanted to make it a little bit more Christmassy. And I could even get some like Christmas garland or something like that to hang from here if I wanted to as well, or even change the pot out for like a poinsettia or something like that, a bit Christmassy. But I just decided to leave it at this point. And over here is just my little reindeer. I love clear things because you can literally style them with pretty much any color. Again, repeated that same greenery that is up the top here. I've just popped some Christmas baubles in, which was super cheap, and then I can still put my fruit and veg down the bottom as well there. Down in this area, I have not changed a thing because, as you guys know, I have whites and greens and browns. They are my accent colors when I did do my redecorating, so I was able to keep them. And of course, I did end up adding my advent calendar because Talia we're going to use this for Elf on a Shelf. And this is what it looks like from this part of the room. Unfortunately, they're not double-sided, so that's the only crappy thing about using them. But yeah, I haven't really changed anything over here. Obviously, just put the advent calendar up there. So I'm loving that I've been able to, you know, incorporate my color scheme with Christmas this year, because it's just saved me lots and lots of money. So that's definitely a thing to consider if you are short funds this year. So I thought I'd try and put out some of the Christmas videos in November so that you guys can go back to it and refer to any of the tips and things that I've got. Definitely check out the description box below. I'm gonna try and remember to put all my Christmas stuff in. Otherwise, it is a Christmas playlist, so definitely go and check it out if you wanna see more Christmas stuff. And yeah, I just wanted to sort of get into the Christmassy stuff now, so then we can start on our Summer Ready series, which is all like my backyard makeover. I do have a patio one that I'm trying to do, but honestly, I haven't really started on it. I'm still trying to get colors together and work out what I'm doing. But yeah, I've definitely started on mini makeovers of things around the yard, which people have been asking for as well. And hopefully that gives you guys the inspiration. I know personally when I'm gonna have like a party or something at my house, being like Christmas and New Year's coming up, I know it's a driver for me if I have something like that at my house to get everything looking amazing. So that's sort of what I wanted to do, is to show you guys what I'm doing and to give you that drive and that motivation of some simple things that you can do are really cheap and free, that you can sort of do around your home to improve it for Christmas. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please leave me any suggestions in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and you love home improvement content, and give it a thumbs up if you enjoy this too, because it helps my channel grow. And I really want to grow, so please do so. And I'll catch up with you guys next week for a new video. I'll see you then. Bye.